Hello. I'm John. Today I'm come up with some interesting topic. Do you know what is ChatGPT?
ChatGPT? No, I don't have any idea about that.
Okay. I will help you to know that. Don't worry. ChatGPT is a chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022.
Chatbot? What does it mean?
A chatbot is a computer program that can have a conversation with a person through text or voice messages. It's like having a virtual assistant or friend that you can talk to and ask questions. Chatbots use artificial intelligence, AI, to understand the messages you send them and come up with responses. They can be programmed to provide information, answer questions, help with tasks, or just chat with you. Chatbots can be found in many different places, such as on websites, social media platforms, or messaging apps. They can be really helpful for providing customer service, automating tasks, or just providing a fun and interactive experience.
Interesting.
Okay, let's continue with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like a virtual assistant that can hold a conversation with you and answer your questions, just like a human would. It generates human-like text through deep learning techniques. People use ChatGPT for all sorts of things, like making chatbots that can answer customer service questions or helping with language translation. It's really helpful because it can do a lot of work really quickly and doesn't get tired like people do. I hope you'll get some basic knowledge of ChatGPT.
Yeah, John. I completely understand.
Do you have any questions apart from this?
Yeah, John. How to use a ChatGPT?
It's very simple. Let's check out my channel. I posted a video how to use a ChatGPT.
Thanks, John.
And if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.